Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics, the online graphic design school. I'm going to be showing you a short video on how to inflate by shading into a signal, 3D effects, drop shadow effects, working with masks to hide out what you don't want, and the goal here is to shade some of the graphics and not all the graphics. Now, creating a drop mask shadow in Adobe Illustrator is a quick and easy way to add dimension and add a bit of sophistication to your artwork. The interaction between the object with the drop shadow and the underlying objects can create an interesting look. To add the drop shadow effect to an illustration, you need to select the object or objects to apply to the drop shadow to. In the appearance panel, make sure that stroke is selected. Choose Effect, Stylize, and Drop Shadow. In the Drop Shadow dialog, a box will appear. In that box, select the Preview check box in the left corner. Now, in order to use masks, for those that don't know, a clipping mask is an object whose shape masks other artwork, so that only areas that lie within the shape are visible and the others aren't. So in effect, you're clipping the artwork to the shape of the mask. The clipping mask and the objects that are masked are called a clipping set. You can make a clipping set from a selection of 2 or more objects or from all objects in a group or layer. We do this in Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator, for those that don't know, is a vector-based creative program, and it's designed primarily for those in the graphic design realm. Instead of using bitmap images to store data, the program uses algorithms to draw shapes, and what this means is that with Illustrator you can make vectors that can be scaled to absolutely any size without losing their quality or overall resolution. Now that's really important for graphic designers, because if you were to create logos, business logos, detailed illustrations to animated concepts, print layouts, websites, it's really important that resolution and scale are perfect, whatever the size. We hope you enjoyed this short video, and if you do have any questions, please get in touch. Bye for now.